All right, y'all. Well, we are live, and as you can see, we've got Jerome Powell, we've got Ron Paul, and we've got Jason Casper on the screen, guys. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus the Messiah. Pray everyone is doing well, and yeah, let's get into this, guys. So, basically, I think that Jerome Powell is speaking, right? I don't know for certain, but I'm pretty sure if we go to a website called youtube.com and we search for, let's search for Jerome Powell live. Let's see if he can say some things. I don't know if he's actually live right now or not, okay? That's the thing, but he's supposed to speak now, and Bitcoin is doing some interesting stuff. Some interesting things here. Yesterday, guys, if you saw my live stream, I was extremely bullish up here, thinking we were going to get one more pump up and basically fill we had some single prints up here. I thought we were going to get a FOMO pump because Asia pumped, and I thought New York was going to give us a fake out to the upside and then a drop. Was not expecting a drop like this. I was kind of expecting we come up a little bit higher, come down, and then put in a higher low, but that's not what happened. We actually dumped down all the way to this key area of support down here, which is one of the areas of support that we had marked out yesterday in the VIP Discord. We had a potential CDW plus a daily at 18.4 to 18.5K. And you can see that that's exactly where we got this bounce from. And I was able to hop into the long trade this morning when I saw that we had come down to that level, piqued my interest, and then I just so happened to see the retest of the golden pocket as we were bouncing from the golden pocket area. I hopped into a long right here. And currently you can see that we are rejecting from the local 786 area. Let's see if I can make this a little bit larger. We're rejecting from the local 382 area, and I'm expecting some volatility right now. I'm expecting some volatility. I do have to say, all right, first of all, to make sure to like the stream, make sure to subscribe to the channel. That is the most important thing I have to say today. Just kidding, that's not the most important thing. But shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to Great Life. Oh, he already spoke. Interesting. Okay, he already spoke. BitBoy Crypto is about to speak. We have an inverse Bart Simpson pattern potentially forming, says Anthony Barbastalulius. Sorry if I pronounced your name wrong. Yeah. Powell already spoke. Dang, Heisenberg. Well, I was given some false information here, man. Some fake news over here. All right? Sorry about that. Sorry about the fake news, guys, but that's what you get when you trust YouTubers who are not mainstream media. You get only fake news. So, I want to take a look at these high time frames on Market Cipher B because I can't help, okay? I cannot help but get a little bullish, right? I just can't help it, right? Go to the daily time frame, and we have seen that during this, besides the anomaly that we had at the beginning of September, we've been pretty much in this small little sideways range here. Clearly defined high, clearly defined lows, and we have the momentum getting higher as time goes on. We go to the 4-hour time frame. And in this more local range here, I mean, look at the momentum and the money flow getting higher. Wow. Bullish divergences on the 4-hour. Go to the 2-hour. Look at this. Very, very bullish divergences forming the entire time we're here. Money flow getting higher. I can't help but feel a little bit bullish. Now, I know I've been saying this to my own shame and detriment, guys, which is why this is not financial advice. I'm not even close to being a financial advisor. I'm just the guy who lives in his mom's basement, who doesn't do anything, and just paper trades all day for the fun of it, right? Now, people hate on that, but the truth is, guys, you know how it is. People pay a lot of money to stay home and play video games all day. This is literally no different, okay? Literally no different. The 1 hour. Look at the 1 hour, guys. Bullish divergences. Look at the 12-minute time frame, one of my favorite time frames on Market Cipher B. As we are down here, I mean, it's just crazy, right? We have so many drives of bullish div from the low that we put in on September 27th, that first low to the second low last night. bullish divergences, and then we have trigger waves forming, and we have momentum getting higher. We come over to coinalyze.net, and what do we see here? Bullish divergences, even on some localer time frames here. We can see bullish divs forming right here. CBD is getting lower. Open interest is getting higher. Right? I cannot help but feel a little bit bullish here, right? A little bit bullish. And I do think it's important also that we just take a look at the macro range here for Bitcoin. Let's go to maybe a 4-hour time frame here and just take a look at this. All right, take a look at this. Although we've been ranging very, very tightly in between the high volume node and the value area low, we're still not losing the value area low. And look at the momentum in the money flow. I am cautious to be bearish here. I am just cautious to be bearish here. Okay, I know I said that yesterday up here. Oh, but it's okay, guys. You know, it's okay. You know why? Because we are traders, right? And as traders, we can long and short at the same time. We can long, right? We can be in shorts and longs because we have the levels of support and resistance marked out on our chart. So we know that when we come down to this area, we should be looking for long entries. And then when we're coming up to certain areas of resistance, like we have up here, we should be looking for potential lower highs, right, at the golden pocket and stuff like that, right? So it's okay. No matter what happens, it is okay. But as I'm looking at this, I'm feeling kind of bullish, guys. Now, we would be amiss if we didn't also take a look at, you know, the S&P 500. Now, S&P 500, guys, it did yesterday get a chicken's drinking water, right? We had this low right here at 36, 37, and 67 cents. And we can see that we came down below the level. And then, boom, got to move to the upside. Closed the day, actually, above that level. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, okay, what do we see? Well, I mean, yes, we do see it. I wasn't mistaken. We technically see bullish divergence, ever so slight. Money flow coming down, not looking too bullish. But nonetheless, we see the divergences. We come to the 1 hour. And on the 1 hour, no doubt, we see multiple drives of bullish divergence here. And this is quite interesting because the S&P 500 is coming down to that area of support, getting the chickens drinking water. The dollar is, ever since New York opened, the dollar is starting to get a move to the downside, right? So New York opened at 9:30 New York time, which happened right about here. So I guess it's been about an hour so far, give or take. And we've pretty much just been coming down from there. When we take a look at the 1 hour time frame, money flow curving to the downside, momentum looking pretty weak. We come to the 12-minute time frame here. Money flow continues to get lower after putting in a few drives of bearish divergence up here. So it will be very interesting to see what happens, right? We were just in a VIP live stream with Boyan and going over our trading plans for the day. And it's very possible that this may be the low that we put in for the day. And now we're going to wait and see if we can come in and put in a high for the day. So the question then becomes, where could we potentially put in that high if we're going to get a move to the upside? Look at the 4 hour, looking pretty juice. Well, what do you guys think in chat? What do you guys think in chat? Would I be surprised if we see 20K again? No, I would not be surprised if we see 20K again. Not at all. I would not be surprised at all if we see 20K again. I think it's very, very possible that we come back up to the 20K area. We have some nice confluences in that 20K area as well. Shout out to JD. Shout out to Aaron G. What is going on? The trend is your friend. Schlong days. Maxim got wrecked in his long because of me. Well, if that's true, then I am very sorry. So we have some interesting things going on right now, guys, with Bitcoin. So we are coming up to a potential area of resistance here. Let's check it out. Okay, so we've got this high right here where we could get a chickens drinking water. Let's watch this and see what's going to happen here. Let's watch this and see what's going to happen. We do have some bearish divs forming here. And actually, let's also take a look and see. Okay, yeah, so there's a potential CDW right here. Then we have these fib levels also above us that we could be looking for. Now, right now, I'm quite interested in seeing if we can come above this zone right here. We have the point of control. We have the golden pocket. Potentially, that could be a nice area to look for upside down uneven butt cheeks, right? If we come up to an area of resistance and we have upside down uneven butt cheeks, like let's say we do something like this, we would want to see something like this on market Cipher B. Those upside down uneven butt cheeks, very, very juicy. And let me tell you, not only are they juicy, but they smell great. They really do. They smell great. They smell healthy as well. Healthy and great smelling. Okay? So let's watch and see what happens here with this corn. But are you guys bullish or bearish right now? Let me know. Let me know. Fake pump then dump. That would be kind of cool. Head and shoulders. Potential head and shoulders coming in here. Yeah, I guess maybe a potential inverse head and shoulders. I don't know. It could be. Honestly, things looking kind of bullish on my end. Honestly, I would not be surprised. Now we don't have any single prints in here because it was all on the same day, right? Asia pumped us, and then New York dumped us. So there's no single prints here. But we are going to wait and see what happens at these interesting areas of support and resistance. Let's check out our SPX. How's it doing? SPX still getting a move to the upside here. We just opened up a new hourly candle. The dollar still getting a move to the downside here, guys. So this is giving us bullish indications for Bitcoin. Okay. And Maltese Macro says, I will join the VIP Discord at the beginning of October. That's right, guys. Yeah, if anyone is thinking of joining the Discord, where we give the TA and all that, wait until October 1st because Patreon will charge you when you sign up and the first of the month. There's nothing I can do about that. So please, unless you want to get charged twice in a row, wait until the first of the month. Okay. Wow. Bitcoin getting a pump here, guys. Getting a pump. We are coming up to some important areas of resistance. We got this red box right here, which is resistance. Okay? We're looking at some of these fib levels that we got on the chart here. Let's zoom in now to the 6-minute time frame and see what we got going on. Now remember, as we're coming up to these areas, what we want to see, when we come up to the area, we want to check out the area, right? We want to check out the area and see if anything smells good in here, right? We want to look for signs of weakness, okay? We want to look for signs of weakness, right? Fat, obese, it's okay to be weak. Weird woman who somehow is in charge of the money even though there is no money, right? A guy who has a mask on his face, signs of weakness, right? Fat, ambiguously gendered, pink hair, college student, communist, socialist, wants to be on UBI in a smart city eating bugs, right? We want to look for those kinds of signs as we come up to these areas of resistance. Now, right now, I would say on the 12-minute time frame, this looks very strong to me. Money flow is getting thick. Momentum waves are getting high above the 60 line. When we go to the 24-minute time frame, money flow curving to the upside. Hesitant to form a red dot. When we look at the 1 hour, still room to the upside. When we look at the 2 hour, guys, look at this. I mean, this is powerful. This looks powerful. This looks kind of powerful, right? Powell, Jerome Powell full. Looks like a towel full. Like a towel full. Crude oil is pumping. People can only focus on the big black mic. Sorry about that. Ever since CryptoFace made a comment, you know, everyone can only see that. So, okay, let's take a look now at our order flow chart. Wow, do you guys see how this bullish divergence played out? This is absorption right here. That was some nice absorption. Bigger move to the upside. Let's check out how my FOMO long went over here on my paper trading account. I just went 40x long with 140 Bitcoin on this demo account here. And wow, I'm already up 34 grand. That's cool. Man, that's cool. Right? If only that was real, right? In my real life, I'm only up $700. So, you know. Of course, I mean, when I say real, I also mean fake, because I only fake trade, paper trade, and all that stuff. But let's come over here. Let's go to a TR chart and look very, very in depth here. We're going to be looking to see if we do see any signs of weakness as we come up to these areas of resistance. Go to the 5-minute. And what do we see? We see a lot of longs opening up. We see a lot of shorts closing out. We see an increase of open interest. And we actually do see volume maintaining pretty high. Wow, 19 million volume in this candle right here. In this 5-minute candle. Another 10 million volume almost right here. So we got 30 million coming in. New longs opening up in these two candles right here. Okay, we got this bullish divergence, which is a sign of absorption, right? We saw all these shorts right here getting absorbed. Now we've got the long volume coming in, giving us this push to the upside. The 12-minute momentum wave is now getting a lot larger, okay? It's getting big, right? It's a straight up Pfizer candle right here. See what's going on here. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. Let's go down to our 1 minute and see what we see. Okay, so 1 minute. Momentum looking strong. Momentum is looking pretty strong on the 1 minute. But money flow is showing slight signs of weakness. Same with the 3-minute. We're getting some bearish divergences on the 3-minute here. Let's see if we do get a little rejection from that 0.5 fib. And for me, honestly, I would like to come up to this golden pocket where I think we could see much more bearish signs. I would like to see something where we come up, reject, come up higher, rejection. That's what I would like. But we never know what we're going to get, right? We never know. So, look at this. Let's watch. Let's zoom in here as we come up to this area of resistance here. Let's watch it close, guys. Let's watch it close. Oh, okay. We're getting, okay. All right. Let's check out what's happening over here. Longs are still coming in, guys. We still got lots of longs coming in right here. We still have longs coming in. Shorts are closing out, but longs are coming in. Okay. Very interesting stuff. Very interesting stuff. Did we hit that 0.5? Yeah, we hit it. We did hit it. We smacked into it. we did smack into it. And I don't see any 6-minute bearish divs. I do see 1-minute bearish divs here. And 3-minute. But I will not add to my short here because I would like to see higher time frame confirmations. Well, I will snag a little more profits out of this long here. We should get some music going, right? Let's see. Here we go. Little elevator music in the background, y'all. You know how it is. All right, so honestly, as I'm looking at this, wow, lots of longs coming in here, guys. Open interest increasing, longs opening up, coming up to some resistance. Would personally like to see I would personally like to see a little bit more bearishness on some of the higher time frames before I add to a short. Because we have the golden pocket up here and the macro point of control, I think that's nice. Nice area to look. Really, if this 12-minute can come down a little bit and then we come up a little bit higher and we get something like this, that would be nice. In my opinion, you know, what do I know anyway? Let's take a look at the 1 minute here. Unless we start to see bearish divergences forming here on a TR chart. And when I say a TR chart, I really just mean an order flow chart. Let's see. Right, if this is a drop, we would reject from this zone right here. So far, we're rejecting from it, right? Wow, look at that, man. Yeah, people are shorting it. We got some shorts opening up here. We could see. We got 213,000 shorts opening here. Still increasing open interest. Let's see if we start to see longs being trapped or something. Honestly, this is a bullish divergence right here, very locally. Open interest increasing, price getting higher, shorts opening up, but price is getting higher. That looks kind of bullish to me, y'all. That looks kind of bullish to me. So, maybe I just got my bullish glasses on too thick. Maybe I just got bullish glasses on too thick. You know what? Should I add to a long here? Should I long the top? Let's take a poll. Should I long the top? Let's take a poll. Let's see what you guys say. Should I long the top? All right, 55% say yes. What do I think about England printing money again? I don't know. Who knows? All right, 55% say yes. 100x FOMO long right now. All right. All right, let's do it, baby. Hang on, I'm frozen up in here. 100x. All right, let's add a little long here. I mean, I have such a small position anyway, right? I'm gonna just do a little quarter of a Bitcoin. Now I'll do half a Bitcoin. Let's go, baby. Boom, 100x FOMO long the top, baby. Let's do it. Let's put our next TP up here at the 19613. Shout out whoever disliked the video. May the Lord bless you in Jesus' name. Man. Let's go, baby. Let's go, Bitcoin. Come on, we FOMO along the top. 100x leverage, baby. Come on. Yeah, not financial advice, guys. Not financial advice. Make sure to like the stream. Let's see if we can get 500 likes, 750 likes so that we can give away $500. I'm trying to give away 500 smackaronis. 500 smackaronis. Let's see if we can do it. How's the 1 minute time frame looking here? Bearish divergences. Crap. Okay. Dang. Was that a bad time to long, you think? Sheesh. All right, look at this, though. I mean, look at this. This was a bullish divergence right here. I mean, this was a bullish divergence right here. And even on like a 5-minute chart, we could see this bullish div forming right here. Open interest coming up, price coming up, open interest coming down, shorts, trap. We still have trap shorts in here. We still have trap shorts. Come on, Bitcoin, let's go, baby. Long the top, baby. 100x, baby. Come on. Let's go. You know, I understand why people watch Sato. I did a whole live stream just watching Sato, and it was a fun stream. I ain't gonna lie. What do I think of the 3-hour time frame? Yeah, we're here for a little Pikachu hat and long in the top. Charizard hat. Long in the top, baby. Charizard hat. I don't have my Market Cipher shirt on today, but you know what? A little 100x long at the top, baby. A little bearish divergence. A little bearish div. Some shorts coming in here. A few shorts coming in. Uh-oh. Oh, crap, man. If I'm not mistaken, that's, that looks like some longs being absorbed at the top there. My long is absorbed, guys. My long has been absorbed. Crap, I should have known. Should have known. Well, what should I do now, guys? Should I add to my short? Should I add to my short? Let's take a vote. Let's take a vote. Should I add to my short? We'll take a vote. Let's see. Okay, 57% say yes. It's time to short. Shout out to my man Jerome Powell. Do I really want to short right here? What do you guys think? Well, that'd be kind of dumb, huh? I'll add a little bit. Nah. I don't know. Let me check the poll again, guys. Let's see what you guys say. 58% say yes, huh? Yeah, guys, never trade the way I'm trading right now. Please don't do that. Please don't. Let's check out the S&P 500 real quick. Okay, SPX is still coming up, guys. SPX is still coming up. Let's check out the dollar. Dollar's still coming down a little bit here. Ooh. Uneven butt cheeks on the 1 minute. The Dixie's looking pretty dang Dolores-y, if you ask me. The question is, who do we want to be? Cigar man? Or suit and tie? Yeah, we did see some absorption up here, didn't we? Just a little bit. Just a smidgen. Look at that purple candle, man. Wow. I forgot to check out the 3-hour time frame. Yeah, let's check out that 3-hour time frame, by the way. Let's check it out. So the 3-hour, man, looks very bullish. Very, very bullish. Look at this bullish divergence. Look at the money flow coming up as we come back down to the value area low of the range. Yeah, I would like to come up higher, guys. I would like to come up higher and potentially add to my short from here. But I'm short from here, so, you know, I don't really want to add to it now. Things look kind of bullish. The reason I added to the long is because if it gets stopped out, it gets stopped out. But things are looking so bullish. Let's pull out a local fib here. We're at a value area high, says Dread Mining. Are we at the local value area high? I thought that that was a little bit higher. See, if I'm not mistaken, the local VA that I've got is right at that golden pocket. That's why I want to come up to that golden pocket there. You see, we got a nice confluence up here. That's kind of what I'm looking at, you know. Someone missed the bottom by $2. Yeah, you know, we came down and that daily level did not get hit. That daily level did not get hit. So we have this this support down here, and it looks like we tapped that, but we did not. Right? Let's zoom in. I mean, we missed it by $4. Can you believe that? Wow. I just can't believe that. That's crazy. By $4, we missed that. Whew. That's crazy, man. All right, so we're holding this area well. Let's see what's going on here. Oh man, not liking what I see too much here, guys. Just because we had that absorption and now. Coming down a little bit here. We even see it on a 1 minute chart. All right, so now let's pull out our fib. Let's take a look at what happens in this box right here. This is the make it or break it box. The 3 hour looking good. The 1 hour dancing on the line. The 24 minute money flow cross potential here. 12 minute still got some room, honestly. 6 minute no divs, just a red dot. Just a red dot. How's the 1 minute looking? Okay, I mean, it looks like we could come down. It looks like we could come down a little bit, but no divergences. So we'll have to wait and see how that plays out. Should we take a look at some other coins here? Yes, Juanita said she loves me yesterday. That's awesome. Wow, we have 618 viewers. Guys, make sure to like the video. We have 618 viewers. We only have 100 likes up in here. Let's take a look at some other coins. But first I have to change this music. I hate this. I hate this song here. take a look at what Cardano's doing, right? We were looking at Cardano a little bit yesterday. So look at that, Cardano, wow, got a drop. Still holding that weekly level. In fact, would you look at that, actually? We bounced off that weekly level that we had there yesterday. We bounced perfectly off that level for a nice 1.93% move to the upside. Wow, massive pump. Massive pump. And bullish div on the 4-hour time frame here. Money flow coming up. Multiple drives of bullish div here on the 4-hour as we came down to that area of support. Would you look at that? Wow. That's looking actually pretty nice there. No nicer, honestly, than the last time it happened. But the last time it happened, it did result in a pretty big move to the upside here. So Cardano's at support with bullish divs on the 4-hour. Let's check out our good friend XRP. Okay, so XRP, guys, absolutely did come up to our level of resistance. And we rejected from that key zone that we had marked out here. And we are heading on our way down right now. And we were looking yesterday at this nice little area of support that we have around 40 cents, where we have confluence of the Fibonacci golden pocket. We have the retest of these highs of this sideways range that we had around 40 cents. And we also have a fresh level of daily support right here. And so now that the 4-hour time frame is getting a trigger wave, I'm going to be looking out for this 40-cent level on XRP, right? If we can do something like this, like, let's adjust this line a little bit. If we do something like this, and then come down, and we do something like this, right, and get those nice, juicy, uneven butt cheeks, as we come down to that area of support, the Benjamins are in that skinny butt cheek, right? We're at the club having a party. We see the ravioli on the left. We see the anorexia on the right. Makes for some nice imbalances here. Could give us a nice move to the upside. I would be looking for that. I would be looking for that, especially since XRP did come down to key support with multiple drives of bullish divergence, right? Very interesting. And this could honestly even be looked at as a hidden bullish divergence, right? Price has made a higher high, and momentum has now made a lower high. This could be looked now as a continuation pattern. We want to kind of go down to the lower time frames and see what's happening. Yeah, so I would say because we have a hidden bullish div on the 4-hour, if I start to see regular bullish divs on the 1-hour and down, that's the hidden regular divergence setup kind of thing that I like to look for. That could give us a nice bounce from around that 40-cent area, right? So, shout out to everybody who liked the video. People are looking to short gold or long gold. What do I think about gold? I don't know. I don't really trade gold, I have to be honest with you. Shout out to Jasic up in here. You want to buy a bag of Cardano? What's a good price? I mean, honestly, for me, where I would want to buy some Cardano, here's the thing. Me and Cardano, we're high school sweethearts. 38 cents is where I would love to buy me some Cardano, right? You know, 38 cents. She needs to come down a little bit to my level here, right? She's too pompous right now. She thinks too highly of herself, right? She needs to come down a little bit to that 38 cent level. That's where I would love to get me some Cardano on the cheap, if you know what I'm saying. I think that would be nice. And as far as the Bitcoin goes, guys, I do have limit orders stacked all the way down to like $3,000. $3,000 and below, honestly. I've got those limit orders stacked. I'm ready to buy some corn on the cheap, guys. Because the way I look at it is either the market's coming back or it's not. If it never comes back, oh well, at least I gave it a good shot. If it does come back, man, what a great opportunity to be buying Bitcoin. Honestly, even at 18K. You know? So, I'm in it for the long game, guys. I'm in it for the long game. You know? I'm trying to avoid being one of those types of people. You know? This type. The one who thinks food comes from the convenience store. You know who I'm talking about? Ambiguously gendered. You know who I'm talking about? College students. Right? The type that end up in smart cities on UBI eating ants and cockroaches. You know? You know who I'm talking about, right? I don't want to be one of them, right? I don't want to be this guy right here, right? This guy right here. Yeah, I don't want to be him, you know? So I feel like one of the ways to avoid becoming this is, I mean, obviously, number one, stop relying on other people, right? Wood-burning stoves, that's the way to heat your house. Grow your own food, you know? Screw the system, man. But then secondly, like, I think crypto is one of the ways to potentially position yourself in a way that it would be advantageous to avoid some of the things that are coming on people who are unaware of the coming changes, right? The coincidence theorists out there. Let's see if we can get another move to the upside here. Shout out to Aaron G, who brings up a great point. The only way to make life-changing money is to give it time. That's so true. That is 100% true. Easy come, easy go, but slow and steady absolutely does win the race. That is so true. Shout out to Burdish Jansen. That's true. I agree, Aaron G. There is big money to be made if you're holding some fiat dollar right now, because the dollar is going up and all these other things are going down. Grab it on the cheap and then pump it up. That's the strategy, by the way, that rich people use to get richer, right? They devalue the currency, so it appears that assets are going down against the dollar. Your average person gets screwed because the price of other things goes up, right? Isn't that funny? The price of gold goes down, the price of Bitcoin goes down, but the price of food goes up. Right? So your average person's screwed. They're spending all their fiat, which is losing value. Meanwhile, if you got some fiat to hodl onto, you can scoop up some stuff on the cheap. And then when they flip the switch, right? Massive dump. Then all of a sudden they pump everything back up. You know, we saw that happen. When did we see that happen? Let's go back in history. Take a look. The last time that happened. Looks like it happened right here, guys. Back in March 2020. Looks like that happened right here. Would you look at that? Wow. Boom. You know, get some cash to scoop some stuff up on the cheap. Ride it all the way up. Can you imagine? And if we have something similar that's about to happen now, if we do see the corn dump down, and we see another drastic, I don't know, some kind of black swan event. Seems like there could be a million black swan events that could happen anytime. Imagine the stuff we could scoop up on the cheap, man. If you know what I'm saying. How did I enter along at this price? I FOMO'd long 100x. FOMO'd long 100x at the beginning of the stream. Originally was long from down here, from the golden pocket, but I added to it because honestly, when I longed it, I had a pretty small position, and if things are going to be as bullish as they look, I kind of want to have a little bit more in the trade, just a little bit more here. And if we dump from here, well, I don't know. But I did add to the position. 100x, You know, for the sensationalism, guys. You know, YouTube, for me, YouTube is 50%. Okay, so the VIP Discord is all about education. Public YouTube, I'd say, is 30% education. 30% education. 40% messing around, joking around. And 30% clickbait, thumbnail, sensationalism, acting a fool. There's some overlap in the last two, right? It's like a Venn diagram. But things, honestly, so I do think we could come up higher here. Look at the money flow on the 1 minute. Let's check this out again here. Bullish div, potentially here. Potential bullish div here. Potential bullish div here. Let's see if we can get a little pump, baby. But I do have to head out actually in 5 minutes, which is a bummer. Man, that's a bummer. But I have a meeting. With an exchange. Would I add to the long at 19.1k if it turns into support? Nah, I don't think so. I'll have to be honest with you. But, I actually have to head out, guys, which is a huge bummer. I wish I could stick around and stream for longer. But we have been on for an hour. And, let's see here. Still have 35% discount on the courses. Shout out to DJ Khaled. He's beautiful and refuses to lose weight. Good for him. You know. Oh wait, no, this is not the video I want. Let's see here. No, this is not the one either. Let's see. Yeah, this is the one here. Let's see here. Is this the one? No, this is not the one. Hang on. This is the one. I'm gonna pop the discount code in the chat here, guys. If anyone wants 35% discount off the course, there's still a few slots left. I think there was like 25 coupon uses and there's a few left. It's in the single digits. I'll pop it in here. Okay, we're getting a little move to the upside here. Here, let me pin this comment in here. Yeah, guys, I am going to have to head out. Sadly. But I do pray that everybody is very blessed. In the name of Jesus the Messiah. I know not everybody's religious, but I do pray that everybody listening to my voice is very blessed. Not just financially, guys, but in all ways. It's a crazy world out there. And, you know, for me, the only hope is found in Jesus the Messiah. Other than that, I'd be losing my mind right now. So God bless everybody. I'll see y'all in the next stream. So peace.